Hello and welcome to the Social Network on NDTV 24/7. Now, he may be the press council chief, he's a former Supreme Court judge, a man with a blameless track record. But Justice Katju often speaks on issues which have which really don't have anything to do with either the press or the judiciary, creating huge controversies around many hot topic issues. Is he entitled to do that or not? That is the question that we're asking today on the Social Network on NDTV 24/7. Is Katju too opinionated, or is he just justifiably outspoken? Now, Arun Jaitley may be seeking his resignation, but people like Salman Khurshid have said that criticizing everyone is just his style. So clearly that is something which is deeply open to debate. And joining us are guests today. We've got actor and stand-up artist Sanjay Rajora, who's with us in the studio. Thank you, Sanjay. We're going to be talking about a host of issues and a host of controversies surrounding Mr. Katju. We also have joining us on Skype Jiten Gajaria, the co-convener of the intellectual cell of the Maharashtra BJP. Thank you, Jiten, for speaking with us on NDTV. And we also have Priyanka Chaturvedi, blogger, columnist, and the District General Secretary of the Mumbai Youth Congress, joining us on Skype. Thank you for speaking with us, Priyanka. Now, before we get our guests on the issue, let's take a look at what you, the viewers, think. We have a video log which came in saying that they felt that Mr. Katju was entitled to his opinions.
See, even if a person is holding a position in any of the government jobs, he is a citizen of India, and being a citizen of India, he has full right to express his views on any controversy which is taking place at the moment. So if he has an opinion against or in favor of Narendra Modi or any other person, I don't really think that is a big problem to express it in any form he wants to.
So really that comment there made by that video log which has come in sets off the platform for our debate. And before we go over to the two representatives of the political parties, let's get your opinion in, Sanjay. Very clearly, is he as a member of the country, as a man who is entitled to the freedom of expression, allowed to say these things on a public platform, or does he represent the Press Council of India and therefore need to think a little more closely about how he phrases it?
सी आई पर्सनली थिंक दैट पहली बात तो ये आपने अच्छा हुआ जाहिर कर दिया कि मेरा किसी पॉलिटिकल पार्टी से कोई लेना देना है नहीं, मैं एक आम आदमी हूँ। पहली बात तो ये कि हमारे कंट्री में, इस मुल्क में बहुत सारे लोग स्टेज पे खड़े होकर बहुत कुछ बोलते हैं और बहुत ज़्यादा डैमेजिंग बातें भी करते हैं जिनका कुछ नहीं होता है। रही बात कि इनकी अपनी कैपेसिटी में, प्रेस काउंसिल चीफ होने की कैपेसिटी में ये बोल सकते हैं नहीं बोल सकते, मेरा ख्याल है बोल तो सकते ही हैं और इतनी कोई बड़ी बात नहीं है, क्योंकि ये जो मुद्दा है मोदी जी का, इसने पूरे कंट्री को एक तरीके से पोलराइज कर रखा है। तो अगर आप ये बोलें कि पब्लिक सर्विस ऑफिस में बैठ के मैं सबसे ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट इशू के ऊपर मैं ओपिनियन नहीं रख सकता, तो मुझे थोड़ी फजूल सी बात लगती है।
So, okay, that really sets off where we are looking at this from. He is entitled to his opinion. But Jiten, what we have also heard was Mr. Arun Jaitley, who really took offense to Mr. Katju's statement, saying that he felt someone who's a former judge who currently represents the Press Council is showing political bias. Do you think that came into play?
I think so. Before we look at his statements or the bias in his statement, the first question that one should ask is that when Mr. Katju writes for the Hindu or any other newspaper, is he paid for it? Is there any quid pro quo? Is there any return favor for that? Because answer to this question would tell us that a person who is supposed to regulate the press is if he is getting any quid pro quo favors or money or anything from newspapers, then it's a serious breach of propriety. Having said that, I think Mr. Katju says a lot of things. To be very honest, Mr. Katju has his biases very, which are very open. In a way, if we look at Mr. Katju's background, his bias against certain section of the society, certain political parties is very evident. And the bigger point over here is how seriously would you take a person who says that a rape victim can be compensated by money? I think Mr. Katju really needs to do a lot of introspection right now.